full recipe in the boxy box below. Here's my secret recipe to making the best onion rings ever, so much better than any fast food joint. Start by cutting 2 medium to large size yellow onions into almost 1/2 inch rings. Separate your smaller parts from the bigger parts. Let's mix up a simple wet batter. You use whatever seasoning you want, salt, pepper. I'm using my favorite all-purpose low sodium seasoning, Dano's Original. Start with your cup of water and from there just mix until it achieves this consistency. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of panko with a couple teaspoons of your favorite all-purpose low sodium seasoning. Hope you can swim, buddy. Cover every facet of the onion with wet batter. Let it drip, because the wetter you get those breadcrumbs, the more often you have to change it out, and we are double breading. Set aside on something lined with parchment paper and freeze for 10 minutes. By the way, see how clumpy this is? That's how you know it's time to change your breadcrumbs. Pull them out the freezer and drop into some high smoke point preheated 350 Fahrenheit oil of your choice. I'm using peanut. In 2 to 3 minutes, they're gonna look just like this. No! Follow for more recipes and have an amazing day.